Derek, hi. I'm excited to talk to you about the special issue of forensic science research on humanitarian applications of forensic science.
Hi, Oren. I'm excited too. I have to say, the world has changed a lot since you and I first met and worked together in the year 2000 in the former Yugoslavia. The ways that we use and understand forensic science is so much broader now.
That's right. The advancement of disciplines like forensic anthropology and forensic genetics as a result of these experiences has been immense. The value of forensics in the humanitarian sector has been underlined by the creation of a forensic unit by the International Committee of the Red Cross, one of the biggest humanitarian organizations working in the world today. And it's exemplified by the articles of this special issue.
You know, Oren, when we first started working on this project, I was worried that we would only get articles from staff of the International Committee of the Red Cross because every day their work exemplifies these novel humanitarian uses of forensic science. And those stand in contrast to more common applications by our peers who work mostly on criminal investigations. To my surprise, though, all but one of these articles are from people outside the organization. That's really remarkable, and I think it reflects how others recognize the diverse and growing uses of forensic science to help address humanitarian problems.
That's so right. One of the things that impressed me about the articles are their geographical diversity. Sometimes articles in English language journals are overrepresented by native English speakers. This special issue, however, has authors and subjects representing so many different countries: Uruguay, Mexico, the United States, Canada, Italy, Cyprus, Uganda, Somaliland, and Nepal. That's remarkable and a true reflection on how growingly the forensic community sees the application of their fields of practice beyond the traditional domain. It's gone global.
Something that I really noticed in these articles and what resonates with humanitarianism is a spirit of care for victim families and the focus on affected people. Goldstein et al. On migrants who have died crossing the Mexico-United States border. Barone et al. Showing that even during trying times like the pandemic, innovation can help us find missing persons. Also, Dahal advocating active listening of victim families following a plane crash.
Resonating with the Hall's message, you and your co-authors emphasize the critical importance of victim community inclusion in responses and minimizing the harm that can result from forensic investigation. And all this in really challenging situations. The Hall et al. Talk about the serious limitations they had to confront following a 2015 earthquake.
But despite these real and significant challenges, in the end, I think we're left with a positive sense about how to make things better, you know? And this is why we need to share our work. Rodriguez et al. Talk about how humanitarianism and teaching younger generations about integrity in forensic science have been critical elements in their practice for many years. We might never have otherwise known about this really interesting example.
You know what? I think what we're seeing here is a global recognition and understanding of how forensics can be used to strengthen humanitarian work. And this can lead to the establishment of forensics as a key pillar in the humanitarian response. With affected people at the center of this response and a growing engagement from the forensic community, I truly believe that we have quite a few interesting and exciting years in front of us.
Definitely. And having a platform like Forensic Sciences Research to promote discussion and sharing of new developments is going to be key in helping make this a reality.
Well, listen, I'm glad we had a chance to work together on this and to learn from our peers in other countries. Typical of our work, though, it never ends, so I've got to run.
Yes, of course you do. I know that. But let's make sure, Oren, that we take a bit of time every now and then to continue to reflect on what we've done, what we're doing, and the different ways that we can use forensic science to make things better. Okay?
Absolutely. Watch this space.